See, when you're looking for the most prettiest, the most cutest, the most nicest, the most careless, oh my God. From January to December, the month that you see the most finest lies in this celebrating hour. I'm gonna say, Jesus Christ, the banana. You know, as you cute, my hands of age. I don't know what's today. One sweetest, beautiful baby. They born today. They celebrate birthday. So one more called Johnny Mo celebrate this lady because you know why? She is sing that. And this girl, when she sing like this, Chris Brown they bow. I don't Kelly they bow. Many they bow. Even Davido say, "Won't go they toast her." She's not a person that Jennifer Lopez. I don't read them when I look baby. I talk about so she too fine that. My brother and sister, I'm gonna call Johnny Mo celebrate this lady because she hold this birthday celebration live in Italy at Vicenza. A lady will say they both America. She's celebrating today for Vicenza. So I was lose God, we could move, we could celebrate her. Amen, yeah. Happy birthday, Jennifer Lopez. We from Satellite Entertainment. I wish you happy birthday. It's your boy again, Crown. Jeff Asake, soccer pastor from Satellite Entertainment. So don't miss that. Brother and sister, I'm gonna go celebrate this lady. Happy birthday, babe.
Comforting me when these people they come body me. It's why I die sometimes. A little Henny and ice. Make a fitty cool my mind. Oh, kill it, boy, no. Make I play you my cassette, you. Anything you sell is a market, you. Try to they look from my aspect, you. They loud them at the handset, you. Me I know fi drag it shine. All the one I be my country down. Me I know they try to connect the light. I just want Charlie boy day, make Charlie boy day. Man, I thank God I got the lead. Say God no one got the lead. Oh look one I ain't comforting me. When these people they come body me. Man I thank God I got the lead. Say God no one got the lead. Oh look one I ain't comforting me. When these people they come body me. It's why I die sometimes.